Some insulators, even though they do not have free electrons, exhibit some electrical behavior in the presence of an external electric field. Such insulators are called dielectrics. Dielectric, it offers high resistance and its energy gap is nearly 3 electron volts. The best examples of dielectric materials: glass, mica, wax, transformer oil, ceramics, wood, paper, ebonite. These are the best examples of dielectric materials. And electric dipole means a system of two equal and opposite charges separated by some distance. So this is called positive charge. This is called negative charge. In between the equal magnitude and equal and opposite charges. Opposite charges is its separation of the distance small d. This is called electric dipole. But here in the diagram is positive charge and negative charge. Both of the electric lines of force from the attractive phenomena or repel phenomena. So what is the dipole moment? In dipole moment, the product of charge and distance between the two charges. So distance between the two charges, that means mu is equal to charge into distance. That is called, charge is called always in coulombs and distance is meters. Dipole moment units is coulomb meter. It is a vector quantity. What is the permittivity? Permittivity is a property exhibiting the dielectric medium or material due to it allows the electric lines of force to pass through it. The permittivity of dielectric is more. It indicates that can be easily polarizable. The permittivity of the free space epsilon naught is equal to 8.854 into 10 power minus 12 farad meter. So here the positive charge is attracted to negative always in this one. The property of dielectric medium or material due to it allows the electric lines of force to pass through it. The permittivity of the medium of the free space epsilon naught is equal to 8.854 into 10 power minus 12 farad meter. And relative permeability or dielectric constant. And dielectric constant is represented K or epsilon r. Epsilon r is a relative permittivity may be defined as the ratio of permittivity of the medium to the permittivity of free space. That is called dielectric constant or relative permittivity. So dielectric polarization. The dielectric polarization, the polarization is the dipole moment per unit volume. Dipole moment per unit volume, that is called dielectric polarization. So dipole moment is a unit is a coulomb meter, and volume is meter cube. It get cancellation of the meter and meter cube once. That is called units is coulomb per meter square. Coulomb per meter square. That is called dielectric polarization. The electrical field intensity and direction, it moves from the positive to low to high and high to low. The energy is also same, it is increases and decreases. Polarizability symbol is alpha. Here, the polarizability is directly proportional to applied electric field. Then mu is equal to the proportionality constant is alpha. Alpha is a polarizability constant. Then mu is equal to alpha E. Then alpha is equal to mu by E. Alpha is equal to mu by E. Mu is equal to charge into distance. Applied electric field is equal to velocity by distance. At simplification, alpha is equal to C d square. That is the units is farad meter square. The polarization vector, the average dipole moment per unit volume. The average dipole moment per unit volume, that is a P bar is equal to dipole moment per unit volume, that is called polarization vector. The polarization vector units is coulomb per meter square. What is the susceptibility? Susceptibility is chi when the dielectric medium is placed in a external electric field intensity E. The polarization is defined as the polarization produced is directly proportional to the product of permittivity of the medium to the permittivity of free space. Permittivity of the medium and applied electric field. Therefore, P is directly proportional to epsilon naught into E. Proportionality constant is susceptibility chi into epsilon naught into E is equal to P. Therefore, you know that the electrical susceptibility chi is equal to P by epsilon naught into E, where susceptibility chi is a proportionality constant and is called the electrical susceptibility. It is electrical susceptibility. Here there is no units. So very, very important in your examination point of view. Polarizability or polarization produces is directly proportional to the product of permittivity and applied electric field. P is directly proportional to epsilon naught into E. By the definition of susceptibility, the ratio between polarization vector to the intensity of applied electric field is called electrical susceptibility. The electrical susceptibility is the ratio of polarization vector to the applied electric field. So displacement vector or flux density, the number of electric lines of force crossing normally per unit area in a electric field is called electric displacement. Electric flux density mathematically D is equal to Q by 4 pi R square, then but E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon Q by R square. But the relation between flux density, applied electric field and polarization, D is equal to epsilon naught into E plus P. But here it is flux density D is equal to epsilon E, where epsilon R is the relative permittivity, is the ratio of the permittivity of the medium to the permittivity of free space. From the relation between D is equal to epsilon naught into E plus P, it is equation 1. But electric flux is called equation 2, D is equal to epsilon E. Both are the equating, both the D's must be equal and equating. Epsilon E is equal to epsilon naught E plus P. Epsilon is, it is the value of epsilon naught into epsilon R E is equal to epsilon naught E plus P. That means epsilon naught E value is this side. That means it is a small modification. Epsilon naught epsilon R E minus epsilon naught into E is equal to P. Where it is E and epsilon common, epsilon naught into E is common into epsilon R minus 1 is equal to P. Then epsilon R minus 1 is equal to P by epsilon naught into E. In the value of P by epsilon naught into E, it is a susceptibility. So this is called the equation. P is equal to epsilon susceptibility chi is equal to P by epsilon naught into E. So the value substitution chi is equal susceptibility is equal epsilon r minus 1. But the relation between epsilon r and susceptibility relation is the electrical susceptibility is equal to epsilon r minus 1. That is a very important phenomena